344 ಇವರನ್ನ
Good morning, students. Are you getting voice? Good morning, students. Good morning. Can you hear my voice? Hello.
Yes, miss.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will start our first. On that day, I just finished that lesson. Okay. Champa and the stray pup.
Yes.
So you have any problem in this lesson? Any doubt?
No, miss.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Yes. So I just gave you the homework also. Word meanings and write these word meanings in your English notebook.
Yes.
So you have written
Yes, miss.
and opposites. Opposites have you wrote in your English notebook?
Yes, miss.
Okay. You understood what is the meaning of opposite?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now you just on your video also. You on your video? Hello? I said just on your video.
Yes, miss. मिस आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है।
ओके अभी आ रही है? आपकी रेंज में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है। वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा। Okay, no problem. You don't know on the video? Okay. Open the page number 11 so that we will do today next rest of our exercises. Okay?
Yes, miss.
So, are you having e-book with you na?
Yes, miss.
Open page number 11. Open it. And there you see, yes, you on your video now. Yes, very nice. Now don't touch your mobile and I'll just show you the number 11 on the screen also.
Yes.
Yes, can you see this image? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. Now you see in this are this one word meanings over. then opposites also over. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to do the next exercise, that is understanding better. A1, answer the following questions. Do you have pen and notebook with you, or pencil and notebook with you?
Yes.
So okay. Now first question. Read this first question. पहला क्वेश्चन रीड करो, क्या है? Read this first question. What is written? Who is Champa? Can you see?
She
Yes.
girl.
Yes. So what you will write? Champa is a sweet girl. Now this first question, who is Champa? So I'll write it on the board. Okay.
Yes.
उसका
Remote करें.
लिख लो. हाँ, मैं बोर्ड पे लिख रही हूँ. बोर्ड दिख रहा है आपको? Can you see the board?
Yes, miss.
Champa is a
Sweet girl.
sweet girl. Okay. And what you have to do? C capital लिखना, because it is the name. और जो first name start होता है वो capital रहता है always. Okay. So this is the first.
Yes, miss.
First answer है Champa is a sweet girl. Now
Sweet
second
girl.
question. हाँ, sweet girl. Now look at this question number 2. Who is Bholu? Tell me the answer. Who is Bholu?
Bolu is a dog.
Bholu is a little stray pup. है ना? Because he is very small. तो डॉग के पप्पी को क्या, डॉग के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं? Puppy.
Puppy.
So pup means small. Dog babies are called pup. So that's why what we have.
Yes.
Second answer, who is Bholu? Bholu is a stray pup.
The stray pup.
Yes, I'm writing on the board. You just see, okay? Bholu is a little
Stray pup.
Bholu is a little stray pup.
Stray pup.
हाँ, stray pup means what? जो dogs and puppies road पे घूमते हैं. Stray means streets. Okay, stray means what? Streets. जो घूमते हैं. भोलू किसका नाम है? Whose name is Bholu?
Puppy.
Puppy का. Okay, can you see the board?
Yes, miss.
Yes. And start writing these answers, huh? Yes. Now can I ask the third question?
Yes, miss.
What is that you just read? So that I'll see are you understanding or not. Read the third question. Read the third question. थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है बेटा? Where does Bolu live? Yes. Where does Bolu live means भोलू कहाँ रहता था? भोलू कहाँ रहता था? Where does Bolu live? Okay. I'm writing here the answer, huh? भोलू lives on the road. भोलू कहाँ रहता था? भोलू lives on the road. live यानी रहना, कहाँ रहता था? Okay?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So you wrote the answer 3. Have you wrote answer number 3? Yes, tell me. Answer number 3 लिखा आपने? Are you getting my point?
No, miss.
Then you just reply ना. Answer 3 लिखा क्या आपने? लिखा आंसर?
No, miss.
Write it ना बेटा, write it.
Hang हो रहा है. Miss,
What
hang
happened?
हो रहा है मोबाइल.
Mobile hang हो रहा है. Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Afterwards, I'll just send you the recording also. Just here now, you just look at here, huh? Now,
Yes, miss.
4th question we will see. What does the vet do? Here, what is the meaning of vet? Vet का meaning क्या है?
Doctor.
हाँ, yes, very good, very good. अभी हम लोग उसका आंसर लिखते हैं, हाँ? Yes, very good, nice answer. 4th वाले का मैं बोर्ड पे आंसर लिख रही हूँ, you just note down, हाँ? The vet gives Bolu an injection.
Yes.
The vet gives Bolu an injection. Okay? Vet means animals का doctor. Okay? He just
Yes.
the injection to Bolu. Okay?
Yes.
5th one. Why are Bolu and Champa happy? बताओ क्यों हैप्पी थे दोनों, भोलू एंड चंपा? Why they were happy? Tell me. Why they were happy? Because 5th one, okay? Because Bholu and Champa play with a ball. Play with a ball on the green grass. Because Bholu and Champa play with a ball on the green grass. So these were the 5 question answers we had completed. Once again, if you want, repeat it. Who is Champa? Champa is a sweet girl. First,
Good girl.
okay? Yes. आपने लिखा फर्स्ट आंसर? आपने लिखा फर्स्ट आंसर? Who is Champa? लिखा आपने उसका आंसर? Champa is a sweet girl. Now second, who is Bolu? इसका आंसर है Bolu is a little stray pup. Bolu is a little stray pup. लिखा आपने सेकंड वाले का आंसर? Now we will just read the third question. Where does Bolu live? Bolu कहाँ रहता था? Where does Bolu live? Bolu lives on the road. Yes, Bolu lives on the
On
road.
the road.
Yes, very good, very good. Now fourth question. What does the vet do? Vet means here animals doctor. The vet gives bolu and
Injection.
yes, very good. So आप इसके आंसर्स लिख रहे हो नोटबुक में?
No, miss.
Why?
मिस आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है।
तो
आप
ओके
वीडियो भेजेंगे तब।
हाँ तो उसके आंसर्स लिखना। हाँ, फोर्थ वाले का आंसर है, मैंने बोर्ड पे भी लिखा है। द वेट गिव्स बोलू एन इंजेक्शन। व्हाई आर बोलू एंड चंपा हैप्पी? बिकॉज बोलू एंड चंपा प्ले विथ अ बॉल ऑन द ग्रीन ग्रास। बिकॉज क्या होता, दोनों जन खेलने लगे थे ग्रीन ग्रास में, उन दोनों की फ्रेंडशिप हो गई थी। किसकी? भोलू की एंड चंपा की। तो दोनों ग्रीन ग्रास में किसके साथ खेलने लगे? बॉल के साथ। ओके,
बॉल के साथ।
यस, बॉल के साथ खेलने लगे। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज करें अभी हम लोग B1। अंडरलाइन द
यस।
word. Okay, underline the right word we will do now. Exercise number B. Exercise number B में it is given underline the right word. Right word को underline करना है। चंपा is a bracket में, now you just see it is given kind oblique cruel girl. तो इसका मैं मीनिंग बताती हूँ फर्स्ट। काइंड मीन्स इन द पोएम इटसेल्फ आई इन्फॉर्म्ड यू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ काइंड। काइंड मीन्स गुड नेचर, हेल्पिंग नेचर, है ना, पोलाइट नेचर।
यस।
एंड क्रूएल मीन्स, यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ क्रूएल?
नो मिस।
मतलब शैतान, मस्ती करना, नॉटीनेस करना, परेशान करना, ये है क्रूएल का मतलब। तो अभी मेरे को बोलो, चंपा कैसी गर्ल थी? काइंड थी कि क्रूएल थी?
काइंड।
काइंड। सो इसमें कौन से वर्ड को आप अंडरलाइन करोगे?
काइंड।
काइंड। ओके, आई विल जस्ट राइट इट ऑन द बोर्ड। ओके, चंपा इज अ
स्वीट गर्ल।
काइंड गर्ल। काइंड को अंडरलाइन किया है मैंने। हाँ, दिख रहा है ना?
यस।
यू कैन सी ना बोर्ड। तो इसमें ये पूरा
यस।
लिखना। यू हैव टू राइट द कंप्लीट सेंटेंस एंड यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द वर्ड काइंड। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज भोलू इज अ, in bracket two words are given, pet and stray pup.
पेट।
Okay, now you just tell me.
पेप।
भोलू इज अ स्ट्रे पप। यस, भोलू कैसा है? स्ट्रे पप है। क्या
पेप।
स्ट्रीट पे रहता था। सो नाउ सेकंड आई विल राइट। तो आप विच वर्ड यू विल जस्ट अंडरलाइन? विच वर्ड विल यू अंडरलाइन? स्ट्रे। ओके, भोलू इज अ,
पेप।
यस, so underline the word stray and write completely full sentence in your notebook. Father comes with a, in a bracket, father, third one, okay? Father comes with a vet oblique nurse. So father ने किसको
Vet.
रखा अपने साथ में? Yes.
Vet.
Yes, तो vet को underline करना. Father comes with a,
Vet.
Father comes with a wet okay. Father
Yes.
comes with
Comes
a
in
wet.
wet.
Okay. Now you understood the exercise B.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Now just I want to ask the meanings of these opposites. Opposite का meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of opposite? Opposite का meaning पता है बेटा? बोलो, मैं समझाऊंगी नहीं तो.
No, miss.
You don't know?
No.
Know the meaning of opposite?
No.
Okay, I'll just explain you. Just now you look at me on the board. Okay?
Yes.
बोर्ड पे देखो, मैं आपको हर एक वर्ड का ऑपोजिट बताती हूँ. हाँ, और ये सब आप ना नोटबुक में लिखना. हाँ,
Yes.
अभी ऑपोजिट्स मैं आपको पहले समझाती हूँ. ऑपोजिट मीन्स कैसे होता है. ओके,
Yes.
ऑपोजिट्स मीन्स कभी भी कैसे रहता है, उल्टा. यानी जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना अच्छा, तो अच्छे का ऑपोजिट
Buddha.
उल्टा क्या होता है?
बुरा.
बुरा.
Buddha.
दिन का उल्टा क्या होता है बेटा?
रात.
यस. तो ये ऑपोजिट का मीनिंग है उसके अगेंस्ट. उसके अगेंस्ट मतलब अभी
Yes.
चंपा कैसी गर्ल थी? काइंड गर्ल थी.
This.
काइंड का ऑपोजिट क्या आएगा?
Kind.
काइंड का ऑपोजिट, अभी मैंने काइंड का मीनिंग बताया. काइंड का मतलब है बहुत अच्छी है. ओके, तो इन इंग्लिश we will say Champa is a kind girl, but kind we have to just change and write it the word of kind opposite word. हमको kind का opposite word क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? kind का meaning क्या है?
Sweet girl.
Yes, good girl, sweet girl. Yes, तो उसका हमको opposite word लिखना पड़ेगा unkind, मतलब अच्छी नहीं थी. yes ना?
Yes.
ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स आप समझ रहे हो ना? नाउ जस्ट आई एक्सप्लेन ना. तो ऑपोजिट वर्ड समझ रहा ना? चंपा इज अ काइंड गर्ल. तो काइंड को हमने अगर उसका ऑपोजिट वर्ड लिखा तो क्या आएगा? अनकाइंड या तो क्रूएल. क्रूएल या ना झगड़ालू, झगड़ा करना सबसे. और काइंड मतलब सबसे प्यार करना. जो सबसे प्यार करता है वो झगड़ा करता है क्या? Are you getting my voice?
No, miss.
Okay, now you just see, I'll write it on the board. हाँ, okay. अभी मैं आपको समझा. See, look at here. Kind. Kind means I just explained the meaning of kind is very sweet, good, helping nature, lives together. Everything will come in the word kind. But opposite to the kind is unkind.
Unkind.
Unkind, or one more word is there, that is cruel. Cruel means गुस्सा करना, सबसे अच्छे से बात नहीं करना. So we'll say cruel also. So kind का opposite समझ में आ गया अभी आपको?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will just open, we look at the second opposite. Okay, second opposite is small. Now you just tell me what is the opposite of small?
Big.
Big, very good. अभी आपको समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes. Now one more I will ask. Now you see, what is the opposite of play? What is the opposite of play? Play का मतलब पता है आपको? What is the opposite of play? Play का मतलब पता है?
No, miss.
You don't know? Play means now you are just playing because now you are sitting at home because of this lockdown. You are not going anywhere, not even in the school or in the garden or in the park for playing. खेलना. Play means खेलना. आप खेलने के लिए बाहर नहीं जा रहे हो, घर पे ही खेल रहे हो. You are playing at home. Carom, chess, whatever it is. Okay? तो
Yes.
what is the meaning of play? खेलना. Okay?
खेलना.
प्ले का मतलब क्या है? खेलना.
खेलना.
हाँ, तो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होएगा? अब खेलना नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसका ऑपोजिट कुछ ना कुछ काम करेंगे. यस ना? वी हैव टू डू सम वर्क. प्ले का ऑपोजिट वर्क. जब हम खाली रहते हैं तभी हम लोग खेलते हैं.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Okay, you will get my recording now, so you will understand. The meaning of play is work.
Yes.
Play, खेलना, and opposite work. Got it? This one, third one. Yes. Now we will go to a fourth one. Now you are getting my voice?
Yes.
Yes. Now next word is happy. What is the meaning of happy? Tell me.
Right.
Huh?
Right.
What is the meaning of happy?
Right.
खुश रहना. आज हम बहुत खुश हुए. समझो कि टुडे इज योर बर्थडे, सो यू फील वेरी हैप्पी ना?
Yes, miss.
Yes. And now you see, now you are not going to school, so you are feeling very sad.
Yes.
Yes. आपको दुख हो रहा है ना? स्कूल नहीं जा
Yes.
रहे हो तो. So the meaning of
Yes.
happy is
Sad.
sad. Yes. The meaning of happy is sad. The opposite of happy is happy.
Sad.
हाँ, happy का मीनिंग
Sad.
खुश रहना. हैप्पी का मतलब क्या है? खुश रहना. आज
खुश रहना.
हाँ, आज आपका बर्थडे है तो आप आज बहुत खुश हो, लेकिन आज आप स्कूल नहीं जा सक रहे हो तो आपको क्या हो रहा है? दुख हो रहा है. मीन्स यू आर फीलिंग वेरी सैड. सो
Sad.
yes, so the opposite of happy is sad. And you understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now we come to next one. Now, what is the meaning of come? What is the meaning?
Go.
Huh?
Go.
No, I'm not asking the opposite. I'm asking the meaning. What is the meaning of come? Come मतलब आना. हमको किसी को भी बुलाना रहता है. Come here. We say na like this. So the opposite of come is go. Opposite of come is
Go.
go. कम मतलब कम का मीनिंग है किसी को बुलाना, और कम का ऑपोजिट है उसको बाहर भेज देना. आप चले जाओ. So we say come, go. Understood? Now next word, give. What is the meaning of give? पहले मेरे को meaning बताओ. Give का मतलब क्या है?
लेना.
हाँ, हम किसी को कोई चीज दे रहे हैं, तो हमको अब किसी से कोई चीज लेना है तो क्या बोलेंगे?
Take.
Take. Very good. So the opposite of give is take.
Take.
The opposite of give is take. Now,
Take.
now next word is stray. What is the meaning? I'm asking now the meaning of stray. What is the meaning of stray?
Street.
Yes. तो उसका opposite. अभी एक डॉग जो है ना, वो स्ट्रीट पे घूम रहा है, तो दैट इज स्ट्रे डॉग. अगर हम एक डॉग को घर पे पाल रहे हैं तो वी कॉल एज पेट डॉग, है ना? स्ट्रे का ऑपोजिट क्या है?
Pet.
Pet. Very good. The opposite of stray is pet. Now, Abhi, what is the meaning of now? N-O-W, now. Meaning पता है N-O-W, now की? Meaning पता है? You know the meaning of word
Please,
now?
you are not getting clearly voice.
Okay, voice you are not getting. Okay. Now you see. Now means abhi. Abhi. Now your class is going on. Means at present your class is going on. The meaning of now is at present. Just at present. Okay. The opposite of is then. मतलब बाद में. So you understand the meanings of both the words?
Yes.
Now means at present. अभी हमारा इंग्लिश का क्लास चालू है. Okay. And opposite of now is then. Means after some time we will eat food. After some time we play. So the opposite of now is then. You understand now the opposites? The opposite of now is then. So
Then.
these are the opposite words which I just explained you today, and we did the exercise number A and B. Okay. Now here some grammar part remaining that I will explain you in your next class. What I am going to say is these exercises, these means exercise A, exercise B, these you have to write in your notebook, English notebook. Okay. And opposite words you have to learn, because all the opposite words on the board I wrote and explained. One thing, if you want, I'll just repeat it. Kind का opposite है unkind और cruel. Small का opposite है big.
Big.
हाँ. Play opposite is work.
Big.
P. Yes. Happy का opposite है sad.
Sad.
Yes. कम का opposite है
Go.
very good. Give का opposite है
Take.
stray का opposite है
Pet.
now का opposite है then. T-H-E-N. Then. Now का opposite है
Then.
then. Now don't forget, okay? And you did very nicely. You are very good boy. So like this way, now you have to write these question answers. Exercise A and B. question you have to write, and afterwards you have to write the answer also. And the key exercise is underline the right word. That also I explained. Now, in your next class, I'll explain you the grammar part. Till here, you just understood each and everything?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, very good, very nice. Till that time, now time over. Stay home, stay safe, don't go anywhere. Whenever you is there, you just attend the class. Are you enjoying the class? Are you enjoying? आपको मजा आ रहा है ऐसे पढ़ाई करने में?
Miss, not getting voice.
अच्छा, now you are getting now? Are you getting now?
Yes.
Yes. So I am just asking you the question. आपको क्लास ऐसा जो क्लास चालू है उसमें अच्छा मजा आ रहा है?
Yes, Miss.
You are enjoying ना?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. So कभी भी जब आपकी क्लास है तो आप 5 मिनट पहले ही मीटिंग ज्वाइन कर लो. भले आपका वो इंग्लिश क्लास रहे, साइंस क्लास रहे या मैथ्स का क्लास रहे. ओके?
Yes, Miss.
हमारी नेक्स्ट जब क्लास रहेगी तो उसमें मैं आपको ग्रामर भी सिखाऊंगी पूरा. इंटरेस्ट है ना
Yes.
में?
Yes.
यस, ओके. चलो अभी आप अच्छे से खाना खा लो, ब्रेकफास्ट ले लो और उसके बाद में होमवर्क फिनिश कर दो. ओके?
Yes.
We will meet in our next class. Stay home, stay safe, and bye.
Bye, Miss.
Thank you.